Hello NSA student, this is Mr. Hinton with the Math Department dealing with a frequently asked question from week 25. The vertices of a triangle, and it gives us the three vertices of the triangle, P, Q, and R, are given, and name the vertices of, and then we have this notation. A lot of students have difficulty deciphering what this is asking us to do. This is asking us to find a reflection, capital R is a reflection, okay, excuse my handwriting, it's not good, not on the computer, it's even worse on the touch screen. But we want to find a reflection of the triangle, PQR, across the line y equals 0. Right. And this is often the question that I get. What does this mean to reflect a line across y equals 0? Well, we need to know what y equals 0 is. If we're in the coordinate plane, we have the y-axis and we have the x-axis. Okay, and here's what I want you to learn to do to kind of help you remember this. Any point on the y-axis has an x value of 0. So this would maybe be the point 0.08. And that's true even if we go down to 0, -8. The y value, the y-axis is where x is equal to 0. Okay, so x equals 0 is the y-axis. Now, similarly, if we are looking at points on the x-axis, if I come over here, let's say we're sticking with 8, this would be -8, and the y value is 0. And if I came over here, this would be maybe +8, and again, the y value is equal to 0. So every point on the x-axis has a y value that is equal to 0. So the x-axis is actually defined to be y equals 0. So they're asking us to reflect this across the x-axis. Y equals 0 is the x-axis. So this is an x-axis reflection. Okay, so how do we do a reflection across the x-axis? Well, let's have a look at that. Let's draw our coordinate plane again. So there's my y-axis and my x-axis. And let's just pick a point at random. Let's pick the point right here. Let's call this the point, it looks like maybe 3, -3. What would its reflection be if I just flopped it right up over the x-axis? Okay, well, the x-coordinate is going to stay the same. All right, so the x-coordinate would still be 3 because it's a direct reflection up from there. Okay, now this point was 3, this point was 3 down. So if I'm going to go across the x-axis an equal distance, I need to go up 3. So here's the rule. If you're reflecting across the x-axis, the procedure is that you will change the sign of the y-coordinate. Okay. The x-coordinate stays the same. Alright, so to reflect across the x-axis, we're going to change the sign of the y-coordinate. Now think about it, that makes sense, right? If we're reflecting across y equals 0, if y is -3, then y would have to become +3 because 0 is in the middle of -3 and +3. And this logic is going to carry us over into some of the more difficult reflections that we look at. That's it. Thanks and have a great day.